Hi everybody, I'm back. I've been undergoing lots of medical things, so I'm happy I'm back, and I know I look terrible, but I don't really care. There's such a controversy this month about the Ipsy Ultimate. Ipsy Plus is worth more than the Ultimate and all these kind of things. I'll do that video next, but first I'm going to do the Boxycharm video for October because this is my controversy. My whole Boxycharm was only worth $103. And I don't think I've had that cheap of a Boxycharm before. But let's check it out. Okay? So I open up my Boxycharm. Well, you know, it looks like this. You know what the Boxycharm looks like. A little thing here. And there it is. Alright. Well, first off, what happened? The iconic London Prep Set Glow leaked all over, and so that's what happened with that. It also, I don't know if this is with everybody, but mine smelled like nail polish remover or something. Maybe it's just, I don't like the smell, I'm not sure. It just smelled like nail polish remover to me. Alright. So that in my box is worth $29. Which I don't need a shiny face glow stuff, but that's okay. I really love the truffle. I'm really into the Roma truffle therapy spray. Oh god, that's my favorite. Okay, so then what do we get? We got $7. Honest to God, a $7 little pencil eyeliner in black, which I told them I don't want any black. I don't think Boxycharm reads the beauty stuff that you submit. Alright, so I got that black thing. That's worth $7. And then I got a mellow tinted eyebrow gel in dark brown, which I also cannot use because, as you can see, my eyebrows are more like dark blonde. Alright, so I can't use that, but that is worth $16. So these may just end up in a giveaway or something. The one thing I am looking forward to is the mascara, the HANK&HENRY. I'm very happy I got this, the HANK&HENRY, and I haven't opened it though because I have so many mascaras open, and you know the scoop on that. Once you start opening them, once you open them, they start getting stale and dried up. So on this one side is the real thin brush. Excuse my nail polish manicure. It looks bad. Anyway, one is the real thin side and one's a regular mascara brush side. I'm real happy to, I'm looking forward to trying this. And then the other thing I got was the Dose of Colors, which is pretty. I do like this. This is what, oh, the HANK&HENRY is worth $19. Manufacturer's suggested retail price. But for some reason, and I don't know why, HANK&HENRY did have a subscription box, and they only had 2 subscription boxes, and then they quit. So I'm kind of curious as to why. But anyway, then I got the beautiful Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, and I got the Sassy Sienna colors, which I will show you. These I do like. But I don't know if I'm going to do a giveaway or maybe give this to somebody for Christmas. I'm not sure. Or maybe because they're, well, here, they're very beautiful colors. It has a brush too, which I really do like. Wait, okay, here we go. I'm having trouble. Okay, I really do like the brush. Very precision, little tiny precision. See how little it is? Little precision brush. And this one is kind of a, you know, kind of a detailed brush too, really. So I think that's awesome. And here are the beautiful colors. So I want to cover that for you. Very pretty colors. Do they look? Here. And that's, well, they're actually darker, a little bit darker in person, which is why I don't know if they're for me. They say as you get older, use lighter colors and lighten your hair too. So I think I might blonde my hair again if I ever feel good enough. But anyway, so that was my Boxycharm. Total value was $103. If you can read this, you can go ahead and look through for yourself. 32, 29, 18, 16, and 7. Whoops, 103. Anyway, so I guess Boxycharm is only, I thought it was supposed to be 125 value. Maybe it's only 100 value. And it's just I've been spoiled the other time, so I'm used to getting more. And this thing sucked that it leaked. I did write to them, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so Boxycharm is not my favorite this month. Stay tuned, because next we're doing the Ipsy Ultimate box. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked it, and if you'd like to subscribe. If you'd like to see more of my videos, then please click, I'm not sure whether it's here or here, click the subscribe button and click the little bell and then click all, and they'll give you notifications when I'm having another video. I can't believe that I'm already almost up to 200 subscribers, and I said we would have a giveaway at 250, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright. And see you guys in the next video. Love you. Be good to yourself and be good to each other. Bye. Wrong button again.